What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the Rocketeer. Thank you for tuning in for another episode, although this episode is going to be a little bit different. It's not so much about the ride, it's more about the equipment for this one, guys. I heard a lot of your complaints regarding the fisheye effect of my previous footage. I've been using a GoPro. I've always used a GoPro, but only recently after buying the camera that I'm shooting on right now, which is the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the wireless mic. I got the creator kit. I fell in love. And I wanted to make the transition over to DJI for my action camera as well, just to make everything in the same family. The ease of use, the dependability of the Pocket 3 led me to believe that the action would be the same way, and that's really what I'm going for, is ease of use, be able to throw the helmet on, go out there, record my voice and the sounds of the bike, use two different wireless mics, make it super easy so I can make more content for you guys. That was the goal of this whole thing, as well as be able to color grade and have a lighter camera on my face, all the above. So I got super excited. However, it has been a journey, guys. The past week and a half has been just a myriad of trial and error and failures. I've yet to figure out the audio issue. It's been very difficult. That's a whole different issue. And then I've been really focusing on the video, the right angle, the right mount. And I've been struggling, guys. So today I got what I think is pretty good footage and a pretty good angle. I just need your feedback, please and thank you. So this video is not necessarily an entertaining ride. However, it does feature the triple, which many of you love. But I need your feedback on the color grading, on the angle. Keep in mind the audio is in the works, guys. I have a bunch of pieces coming. There's a lot of wind noise with this camera, so I'm gonna figure that out a different day. But just let me know about the visuals, guys. Is this a lot better than the previous GoPro fisheye lens that I've been using? The colors, do they hit right? You guys let me know. Much appreciated. Thanks so much. And if you haven't subscribed, guys, make sure to check out my other videos. Don't check this video out and subscribe. Check out my other videos and subscribe, because they're much better. Yeah, that's the video today, guys. So thanks for tuning in. Let's get rolling. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
So please let this be working. What's up?
What's going on?
How you doing?
Wow, showing love to the yellow, huh?
Cool.
Yellow right here. Put it in front of mine.
I got you.
Start pushing this little bitches.